Good morning, students. In this module, we will learn the solutions from the exercise 1.6. See the first problem. Given n of a equal to 25, n of b equal to 40, n of a union b equal to 50, n of b dash equal to 25, n of a intersection b equal to what? Then n of u is what? We can use this formula to find that n of a intersection b equal to n of a plus n of b equal minus n of a union b. So when we use this, just substitute n of a 25, n of b 40, n of a union b 50. So 15 is the value of n of a intersection b. Then second subdivision is n of u, and we have the formula. Here we have n of b dash equal to 25, so we can use n of b plus n of b dash equal to n of u. Suppose you have n of a dash, we can use n of a plus n of a dash. Here we have n of b dash, so we can use this formula, and the answer is 65. Second subdivision, we have, what's the question there? If n of a equal to 300, n of a union b equal to 500, n of a intersection b 50, then and n of b dash equal to 50, then find n of b and n of u. So using the n of a intersection b, we can find n of b because all other values are given. So n of b formula, n of a union b plus n of a intersection b minus n of a. So 500 minus 50 minus 300. Based on the given, we should use the formula. N of b, we can't use this formula here, but we can use this formula because n of a union b in a intersection b given, also n of a given. So n of b value is 250, and then n of u equal to n of b plus n of b dash. N of b dash value given. N of b dash value, what is n of b value? 350. So we can use n of b plus n of b dash equal to n of u, so 600. Question number 2. Set u equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n, x less than or equal to 10, and a equal to 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, b equal to 1, 2, 5, 8, 10. Then verify the formula n of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. And we have all these values. N of a equal to 5 and now n of b equal to 5, a union b equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, and a intersection b means the common elements of a and b. So left hand side value n of a union b equal to 7 because in the set a union b we have 7 elements, and the right hand side n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. N of a value 5 and n of b value 5, n of a intersection b 3, and 10 minus 3 7. And when we compare left hand side, n of a union b equal to 7, right hand side value n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b value 7. So hence proved. The question number 3. Let us verify the formula. This formula for the three sets A, B, C given. First problem, set A equal to A, C, E, F, H. Set B equal to C, D, E, F. Set C equal to A, B, C, F. In the formula we have n of A intersection B, B intersection C, A intersection C and A intersection B intersection C. We should find all the values. Also n of A given 5, n of B value 4, n of C value 4 and A intersection B. What are the common elements? Common elements are C, E and F. So there are three elements common in the set A and B, and in the set B and C two elements are common. What are the elements? C and F. C and F. So n of B intersection C equal to 2, n of A intersection C value 3, because the common elements of A and C are A, C and F. Then we can solve the first subdivision. Here just substitute all the values in the formula. N of A union B union C, we have 7 elements. That's left hand side. When we join all the A, B, C set, we will have these elements. And here n of A 5, n of B 4, n of C 4, n of A intersection B 3, B intersection C 2, A intersection C 3 and A intersection B intersection C 2. That is, in all the three sets common elements are C and F. So when we simplify, this value is 7. So in both left hand side and right hand side are equal. Hence the verification. Second subdivision. We have all n of A 2, 3, n of B 4, n of C 4 and n of A intersection B 2. What are the two values? 3 and 5. Not the value 2, then two common elements. And B and C common elements 5 and 6. So we can write here 2, and the common elements in A and C are 1 and 5. 1 and 5. So two elements are common, and common elements in all the three sets together. What are the common elements? 3 is the common elements. 5 is the common element in all the three sets. So only one element, that the element is 5. When we union all the elements of A, B, C, we will get 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we will get 6 elements, and just substitute in left hand side as well as right hand side. So left hand side value is 6 and right hand side 3 plus 4 plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So both the left hand side and right hand side values are 6, hence verified. Then come to the fourth question. There are 25 students taking part in music, 30 students take part in drama, 8 students take part both music and drama. Then find the number of students who take only music, only drama, and total number of students. We can draw the Venn diagram like this. 25 students are take part in music, and 30 students are take part in drama, and 8 students are take part in both music and drama. And set M denote music, D denote drama. So what we should do, we should subtract this common element from 25 as well as from 30. Then we will get 17 and 22. That is 17 is here number of students who take part only in music. That is, this 17 is denote this whole, this part only, that is music only, and this 22 refers drama only, because 8 students are participating both music and drama. So we get answer, those who the number of students could take part in music only is 17, and only drama is 22. And when we add all these three values, we will get the total number of students, that is only music, only drama, and both the music and drama, because all the students take part at least one. In the given problem we can read it, all students take either music or drama or both, so no one is take part, nothing. So we can add all these three values to get the total number of students. And the problem number 5, in a party of 45 people, each one like tea or coffee or both, and we have to find out those who are like both the tea and coffee, do not like tea, do not like coffee. We can use the Venn diagram also, but here we can solve using the formula. So n of u a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So from the given we could write T means set T refers those who are like tea, C those who are like coffee, and just apply in the formula to get the intersection. Just apply in the formula. The number of students those who are like both tea and coffee is 10 as per the given. The number of people who do not like tea, that is we should subtract n of t from n of u. So those who are liking tea, if we eliminate those who are liking tea, we will get the people who do not like tea. And from the given n of u is 45 and n of t is 35, so 10 people those who are do not like tea, and those who are do not like coffee, that is n of c dash, here n of t dash. Okay, so n of c dash equal to n of u minus n of c, the same calculation as we learned in the third subdivision. Thank you, students.